Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at problem 7.2.15. We're going to go ahead and answer this question here, where this time we're looking for a z-score when we're given an area. In this case, the area to the right of the standard normal curve is 0.26. And so we're looking for the z-score that would produce this area to the right. And so the best way to do that, you could use, of course, the table, the z-table. So you could use the z-table to do that, but like I said, the easiest way to do this would be get into your normal calculator, stat calculator's normal, and in this case, instead of putting in a z-score here or an x value, you put in 0.26, and I want the area to the right, which that would be the greater than symbol. Hit compute, and that would be the z-score. Here, StatCrunch has an x because it could be a generic variable, but it really is a z-score here, so it's 0.643 would be the z-score for that problem here. And then you have a related question later on, 7.2 number 17, where you're asked to find what are the z-scores for the middle 29% of the standard normal curve. You're looking at here, this is the middle compared to the tail, so we're looking for the middle 29%. So now there's two z-scores. And so looking at StatCrunch, you do the normal calculator again. This time you would do the between, and then we would clear those numbers out in between because I'm looking for those z-scores. And we want this to be the middle 29% of the data. Is separated by what z-scores. Hit compute, and you get negative 0.372 and positive 0.372. Those z-scores, 29% of the data fall between those two z-scores. And then the last question that I want to look at related to these, 7.2.19, and you're asked to find z, and the way we say this is z sub alpha. Later on we'll call that a critical value. And so we're being asked to find what's z-score, what's z sub 0.08. What it's really asking is what is the z-score such that the area to the right is not 26 actually. The area to the right is not 0.26, but that the area to the right is 0.08. That's what we're looking for. That's the area there. And answer that question is exactly what we did earlier using StatCrunch. Go to the standard calculator, put this out, and put 0.08 here, and then compute. I want 0.08, and then compute to the right because I want the right side, and there it is. So that z-score would be 1.41. 1.41 is the z-score with an area to the right of 0.08. And so that would be your answer, what you get here.